Hello students, welcome to Atom IQ. TVE is the trick to decide the hybridization. If you learn this trick once, then you need not to remember all the old tricks and old and tedious tricks to remember hybridization. So what is this trick? TVE means total valence electrons. First of all, you count the total valence electrons. If negative charge is there, then add the electrons. Positive charge is there, then subtract the electron. If the total is TVE is lie between 2 and 8, then divide by 2. If it is greater than 8, then divide by 8. The quotient is your answer. If there is a remainder, then divide the remainder by 2, and that quotient is added to the first quotient. Then you will get the hybridization. Let us learn it by taking the examples. First of all, I am taking the example, that is CO3 2- carbonate ion. So here carbonate ion, what is the total number of electrons? TVE is equal to what is the valence electrons of carbon? That is 4. Plus there are 3 oxygens. 3 into how many valence electrons in oxygen? There are 6. As the negative charge is there, means 2 electrons are added. So what is this? 4 plus 18 plus 2, that is 24. As it is greater than 8, so divided by 8, then you will get 3. That means your hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Your hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Secondly, if you consider ammonia NH4 plus, if you consider for ammonia NH4 plus, what are how many number of electrons? Outermost electrons 5 plus 4 into 1 for hydrogen. As it is a plus charge, then remove 1 electron. So what you will get? 5 plus 4 minus 1, that is how much it is? 8. So it is lie between 2 and 8, so divide by 2, not 8. If greater than 8, then you have to divide it by 8, so divided by 2, that is 4. That is your hybridization is sp3. Right students, now coming to the remainder case. Here I am taking, listen students, if you remember this trick very well, then this old trick is need not to be remembered. So next coming one is the xenon XeF4. XeF4. How many valence electrons are there in xenon? So what is the TVE? What is the TVE here? So total number of electrons of xenon are 8 plus 4 into 7. Outermost electrons of fluorine halogens are 7. So what is this? 8 plus 28, that is 36. If you divide it by 8, so simply see 8 4 ja 32. So you will get 4 as a remainder. So first, this is your first question, right students? Next coming to, as here is remainder is 4, divide this 4 by 2. Remainder is divided by 2, that is 2, right? That means 4 2 2s are 4 0. So this is another question. This is question number 2. Remainder divided by 2, then this is the question number 2. Here we get this. Now question number 1 plus question number 2. What is the question number 1 here? Hours. Here the question number is 4 plus here the question number 2, this is 2. So what is this? This is 6. So how many number of, what is the hybridization for this one? That is sp3d2. See student, how easy this one. So this is sp3d2 is our hybridization. And